Treat your guest with an inviting turn-down service look with the simple triple sheet folding technique. From our most classic feels to our most elegant sheets, A1 American prides quality over all else. In just a few simple steps, you can recreate the same experience with all of your sheets. Let your guests know that you care about their safety by using this clean and low-maintenance bedding solution. First, you build a foundation with your bottom sheet by taking your flat sheet and tucking it all away around the bed. Use your fitted sheet to cover the mattress. Next, place the top hem of the flat sheet evenly with the top of the mattress. Smooth it out. Now place your lightweight blanket on top of the middle sheet, starting about 6 inches below the top of the mattress. Now it's time for decor. Add your decorative flat sheet on top of the blanket. Make sure the top is smooth and even with the top of the mattress. Next, you fold. Take the top of both flat sheets and fold them down together, about 6 inches apart. Then fold down the 2 flat sheets and the blanket another 6 inches. Your sheet should now be folded twice and your blanket folded once. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. Tuck in both flat sheets along the blanket, beneath the foot of the mattress. Turn back the U shape along the length of the bed and gently pull backwards, parallel to the mattress. Tuck the hanging corners of the sheet and blanket together under the mattress. Experience triple sheeting, the clean, luxurious, and cost-effective and efficient bedding solution. This is the A1 American standard.